Unlocking the secrets of contact information. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very important and commonly used term, especially in professional and personal communications: contact information. Whether you're filling out forms, meeting new friends, or applying for a job, understanding this term is crucial. So, let's break it down together. Contact information refers to the details one provides to others to be able to reach or contact them. It's like giving someone a key to your communication door. This information can vary depending on the context, but generally, it includes a combination of your name, phone number, email address, and sometimes, a physical address. Personal contact information. This includes details you might give to friends, family, or acquaintances. It usually consists of your phone number, personal email address, and perhaps your home address or social media handles. Professional contact information. When dealing with professional contexts, such as job applications or business cards, your contact information might include your work phone number, work email address, and the address of your workplace. Professional contact information is shared in a more formal setting and often includes your job title and company name. Digital contact information. In the digital age, contact information also extends to online platforms. This can include social media profiles, website URLs, or even digital communication platforms like LinkedIn. Digital contact information makes it easier for people to connect with you professionally and personally online. Understanding and correctly providing your contact information is crucial for several reasons. 1. Networking. It enables you to build connections with peers, professionals, and friends. 2. Opportunities. Whether it's a job offer, an invitation to an event, or a personal message, correct contact information ensures you don't miss out on important opportunities. 3. Communication. It's the foundation of modern communication, ensuring you can be reached when needed. Be precise. Make sure your information is accurate. A typo can mean missing an important call or email. Know your audience. Decide what information to share based on whom you are giving it to. Personal contacts might not need your work address, and vice versa. Privacy matters. Only share your contact information with people or entities you trust. Be mindful of where and how you share your details online to protect your privacy. Understanding contact information is a key part of navigating today's world, both online and offline. Whether you're making new connections, applying for jobs, or staying in touch with friends, having clear and correct contact information is essential. We hope this video has shed some light on the importance and use of contact information. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful content. See you in the next video.